open your My First Duplicate drawing if you haven't already. The last command to look at in this video is the offset command. You will probably find yourself using this command over and over in your designs and drawings. The offset command copies objects at a distance parallel to the original object. It is similar to the mirror command, but it does not mirror the copies. Let's try it. Click on Offset. The first thing it's asking you is a distance to specify. For this exercise, let's put in 0.25 as our distance. 0.25. Hit Enter. And pick on one of the lines. Move your cursor onto one side or the other. It's dynamically showing us where the offset copy is going to be located. Pick on the outside. Now it stays within the offset command, allowing us to offset more lines. If this was a floor plan, we might be creating the outside walls of the floor plan. Right click, enter, and you've created offset lines. These lines are not associated with the original, but they are copies of the original, meaning that it copies the layer they were drawn on as well. If we want to complete the floor plan, we would have these lines into short corners, and we would trim the corners that are crossing each other. A quick way of doing that is to make use of the fillet command, but with no radius so that no arc is created. So let's put multiple and watch what happens. Pick, 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 and so on. So we could go all the way around and create our floor plan. Right click, press enter. Undo this until we're back to our original layout. We have individual lines. Let's use the join command to make them into one line. Under Modify, click Join, create a window around the objects to select them, right click, and if you click on it now, it has made one object called a polyline object. Now let's try offset again. 0.25 as the distance. Enter. Pick on the polyline. It's all highlighted as one object. Move your cursor on the outside. Pick. Created all our offset lines, but all our corners have all been trimmed or extended to create our sharp intersecting corners. Right click. Enter to exit out of the offset command. Save your file. Whenever you are creating a design, look for areas that can be duplicated. This way you only draw an object once and then use it over again for something else in the design, thereby increasing drawing efficiency. It is time to review the additional duplication commands you have learned. I would suggest journaling in point form the use of grips to speed up the duplicating process, the two array commands, the procedure to mirror, and lastly, the usefulness of the offset command.